Hello everyone, welcome to our new book. We are starting today with Pebbles of Grammar of Class 4 by Galaxy Publication. Hello everyone, welcome to the new video. Let's now begin today with chapter number 2, that is nouns. What are nouns? We all know what nouns are. We have studied earlier also in class 3, 2 and 1. We know what nouns are. Nouns are the naming words. This we have already studied earlier also in our previous classes. What nouns are? They are all the naming words of any person, place, animal or thing. Or you can say a noun is a name of a person, place, animal or thing. The naming word is called as a noun. So, a noun is what? It's a name of a person, place, animal or thing. This is the definition of a noun. Look at these sentences. Now, they are asking you to look at the sentences. The first sentence given over here is, the lion is in the cage. Now, in this sentence, there are two names given. The first one is the lion and the second one is the cage. So, this is the name of the animal, this is the name of a thing. Hence, lion and cage are what? They are the nouns. Then, in the second sentence, they have mentioned the dog is under the tree. So, the word tree and the dog, what are they? They are the common nouns and they are actually the name of the animal and name of a thing. Hence, both the words are what? They are actually nouns. The words lion, cage, dog and tree, they are nouns. Now look at the further sentences. The further sentences given over here is Madhu is a teacher. Now in this sentence, two kinds of nouns are given. The first one is the Madhu and the second one is the teacher. What is Madhu? Madhu is actually, the word Madhu is name of a particular teacher. You know, Madhu is what? पर्टिकुलर टीचर. एक टीचर का नाम है, दूसरी टीचर का नाम कुछ और हो सकता है. तो मधु क्या है? एक नाम है, पर्टिकुलर नाम है, विच इज नॉट कॉमन टू ऑल टीचर्स. सब टीचर्स का सेम नाम नहीं होता ना. समवन कैन बी मधु, समवन कैन बी रीटा, समवन कैन बी सीमा, समवन कैन बी बबीता, एनीथिंग. But the word Madhu is actually what? It's a proper noun because it is not common to all the teachers. It's the name of a particular one teacher. Hence, Madhu is what? It's a proper noun. पर जब मैं शब्द बोलती हूँ teacher, when I say the word teacher, it's the name of a person. Teacher can be any. It is common to all the persons who teach. Those who teach, we call them as teachers and hence it is common to anyone. The word teacher is hence known as what? It is a common noun. So, in these sentences, or we can say in this particular sentence, we are talking about this sentence, this thing is actually a proper noun, whereas the word teacher is the common noun. The names which are common to all persons, animal, places or things are called as common nouns. The names of particular persons, animal, places or things are called proper nouns. Remember this thing? Particular person, place, animal or thing is known as proper noun, or the names which are common to all person, place, animal or thing are known as common nouns. Now let's move to the next page. On the next page, they have mentioned that here are examples of some common nouns given, and below here they have mentioned some examples of proper noun. Now when we will read them, you will become much more clearer with the point of common noun and proper noun. Now the first, they have mentioned certain names of persons, that like farmer, teacher, doctor, postman, mother, father, uncle, aunt, sister, brother, farmer again, cobbler, etc. When we talk about the names of the animals like lion, tiger, wolf, fox, dog, cat, elephant, hen, duck, parrot, pigeon, owl, fish, snake, bear, deer, frog, butterfly, sheep, goat, monkey, horse, camel, etc. Then the other is, they have mentioned the names of certain places which are common like park, school, hospital, village, city, hotel, hill, desert, valley, mountain, river, sea, pond, lake, road, house, kitchen, bedroom, temple, police station, bus, stop, railway station, roof and street, etc. Then certain things are also mentioned over here. Let's read them quickly, like table, chair, pen, pencil, bag, bicycle, car, bus, fan, television, radio, apple, potato, spoon, flower, tree, bush, book, etc. Now these were all the names of certain person, place, animal or things which are in common to everyone. Let's now quickly read to some examples of proper nouns. The first one are the persons like Mohan, Sudha, Praveen, Madhu, Rekha, Mahesh, Vishal, Amit, Sunita, Reena, Arvind, Manu, Shushma, Katrina, Karina, Jaya, etc. So what is the difference between this and the persons which we had read earlier about the common noun? The difference is these are the names of particular person, whereas boy, girl, farmer, cobbler, etc. What were these? These were just the terms of common people. Animals like animals, as I told you earlier, lion, dog, cat, sheep, wolf, etc. Anything can come out. But when I am telling you the name of any animal which I am calling out in proper, like Tommy, Teddy, Leo, Kitty, Tom, Jerry, Mickey, etc. What are these? These are the names of the animals which we call. So hence these names will be called as what? Proper noun. Then we come to the places. When I say city, it can be any city. It will be common noun. But when I name the city, like I name Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, Punjab, Kerala, India, Asia, Europe. Now these are what? These are the names of the continents, countries also. Australia, Africa, Himalayas. Now these are the names of the mountains. Pacific Ocean. Ocean's name is also a proper noun. Ganga, Yamuna. These are the names of the river. Taj Mahal, Red Fort, Eiffel Tower, these are the names of the famous buildings, etc. So what are these? These are the names of places. These are the proper noun. Then names of days. Names of days again, they will be called as the proper noun. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. All the names of the days will be known as the proper noun. Then the names of the months, that is January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. They all are again what? They are the names of the months. Names of festivals. The festivals which we celebrate like Holi, Diwali, Christmas, Eid, etc. Again, they will be called as proper noun. Names of famous books or books, all the books, name of the books is actually what? Like Ramayana, Mahabharata, Bible, Quran, the Arabian Nights, etc. or novels, etc. They are what? They will be called as proper nouns. Now something special about proper nouns is that they all are written in capital letters. All the proper nouns are written in a sentence in capital letters. They begin with capital letters. A proper noun always begins with a capital letter. They have mentioned this line over here also. So I hope now you can understand the difference between the proper nouns and the common nouns. Let's now move further. Well, they have given you a practice question, that is a question. Pick out the nouns from the following sentences and name their kinds. You have to find out the nouns from the sentence and then you have to tell the kind of sentence, whether it is a proper noun or a common noun. One has been done for you as an example. Now they have done one as an example for us. Well, the sentence was, Nile is a river. What is Nile? It is actually, Nile word is a proper noun and the term river is a common noun. So this way you will be writing in your exercise on the next page. So let's begin this question on the next page. The exercise on the next page here is given with the first sentence. We have 13 sentences over here. The first column is for proper noun and the second column here is for common noun. I am writing over common noun as CN and proper noun as PN. So the first statement is Mittu is a parrot. There are two nouns over here, that is Mittu and parrot. The word Mittu is what? It's a proper noun and the term parrot is a common noun. Then Ramu is a farmer. Again here Ramu and farmer are nouns. Ramu will come here and farmer is a common noun. Third one, the Ganga is a holy river. Ganga, common noun, and river is a common noun. Venu is in the garden. The word Venu is the name of a person. It is a proper noun and the place garden is common noun. My aunt lives in America. Now here my aunt, the word aunt is common noun. So let's write here first aunt. And at which place does she live? She lives in America, which is written in capital letters. Hence the word America is what? It's a proper noun. The sixth sentence is Priyanka is an actress. Now Priyanka is a proper noun. And actress, what is actress? Actress is a common noun. Then the seventh one, Meena is a teacher. Now in this sentence again, Meena is proper noun and teacher is common noun. Eighth is India is a big country. India is proper noun and country is common noun. My brother was born in October. October is the name of a month. We will write it under the proper noun column. And brother can be anyone, it's common. So we will write over here, brother is a common noun. Then the 10th one, Bahadur is our PN. So the name Bahadur is proper noun. And the word PN is proper noun or common noun. It's a common noun. Chandigarh is a beautiful city. The word Chandigarh is proper noun and city is common noun. Next, rose garden has all types of roses. Rose, or you can say garden. There are actually two things given over here. Rose is what? It's the name of a flower. So hence we'll put the rose in a category of plural noun and garden is a common noun. Next, Virat Kohli is a cricketer. The name Virat Kohli is actually what? It's a proper noun and the term cricketer will come under the category common noun. So this is all about this question. All the 13 statements we have done. I am sure the difference between common noun and proper noun is now clear to you. Let's now move further to our next topic. The next topic is that they are talking about that you have to look at these sentences. Can you see a group of ducks over here, or you can say these are geese over here, and there are a group of lions over here in the picture. What does this denote? They are actually telling you the group of these animals, or you can say birds, or you can say the group of soldiers. What are these groups actually? They are actually known as collective noun. We are going to now study about collective noun. A gaggle of geese is in the pond. Now when we talk about a group of geese, so we will not write there are many geese in the pond. We will say a gaggle of geese is in the pond. A pride of lions lives in this jungle. A pack of playing cards has 52 cards. The word gaggle refers to the group of geese. The word pride refers to the group of lions. The word pack refers to the group of playing cards. So, the words herd, pride, pack and gaggle, they all are what? They all are collective noun. They are giving you a collection of certain things, animals or nouns. The words which are used to refer to the groups of people, animal or thing. Okay? People, animals or things. I am not talking about the places. I am saying the words which are used to refer to groups of people, animal or things, they are known as collective nouns. Some collective nouns are given here below. Let's read them quickly. The army of soldiers. So what is a group of soldiers known as? A group of soldiers is known as army. I am sure you must have heard this word before also. A brood of chickens. A group of chickens is known as what? Brood. A bunch of grapes. A bunch of keys also you can use. Bunch of grapes. A crowd of people. A group of people is known as what? A crowd of people. So we have read about 4 collective nouns on this page. Army, brood, bunch and crowd. Now let's move to the next page. The next one given over here again is the same as you have read earlier about the gaggle of geese. Then the next is cluster of trees, a litter of pups, a flight of birds, a bundle of sticks, a colony of ants, a pack of wolves, a parliament of owls, a herd of deer, a team of players, a swarm of bees, a bouquet of flowers, a class of students and a murder of crows. Fine. So with this we have read many kinds of collective nouns. Now we'll do the exercise quickly. Now in this exercise they have actually asked you to fill in the blanks with suitable collective nouns. Now when you are filling it with collective nouns, they have given you certain words also for your help. Now let's begin with the first one. The first one is a dash of ants was busy collecting food. So what you will write over here is a colony. Then the next, and dash of soldiers is fighting on the border. What will come here? We have done the word colony. Let's cut it off. The other word will be the army. Is the word over there? Yes, of course, army is there. So we will write an army. Then the third sentence, I saw a dash of sheep grazing in the field. Let us see what is the word present over here. Flock. Yes, the word is present. We will write here flock. Then number 4, I saw a dash of crows. What will be the correct word here? Murder. M-U-R-D-E-R. I saw a murder of crows. Fifth one, a dash of robber broke into the house. Now the word S is missing over here. The dash of robbers broke into the house. What can be a dash of robbers? The correct word over here is gang. So I will write over here G-A-N-G, gang. Sixth one is the dash of musicians played a touching tune. A band. We will write here B-A-N-D, band of musicians. Then the next word, the shepherd saw a dash of wolves on the hillside. What will be the correct word over here? The correct word will be pack. We also use the word pack for a group of wolves. Next, our cat has given birth to a dash of kittens. Now here the word left is crowd, galaxy, bunch and litter. So what will be the correct word that will come over here? The word is litter. We use litter for pups, we use litter for kittens also. A dash of stars in visible at night. Now here the word in is incorrect. You will write here is a galaxy of stars. A galaxy of stars is visible at night. Then the 10th sentence, I have lost my dash of keys. Now you will write here bunch. हमने galaxy लिख लिया है, अब हम bunch लिखेंगे. B-U-N-C-H. Then the last one, the dash of players. Now in this sentence, children, another word is wrong over here. It was not players. Here we had to write a dash of people. लोगों का crowd होता है ना? Okay, the word crowd will come here. The crowd of people was chased by the audience. Okay, fine. Or another thing also can be done. If I suppose rub this and rather than writing here crowd, I change this word by the word team, T-E-A-M. So now here you can write here the team of players was chased by the audience. And with this we have completed all the 11 questions of question number B. Now let's move further. You have now learned about what? Common nouns, proper nouns. Proper nouns are what? They are the names of the particular person, place, animal or thing. Then they are usually used in singular form. Now you have to remember that proper nouns are basically they are used in singular form. They cannot be counted. They cannot be counted. No, उन्हें count नहीं किया जा सकता. वो सिर्फ एक ही होते हैं. Fine. Now if we move to the next page, let's see what they are talking about. The common noun, proper noun and collective noun further. Let's now turn to the next page. On the next page you are finding what that they are given certain example. They say Rubina is a girl. Here the word Rubina, it denotes that Rubina is a girl. She is one. The Ganga is a river. Can you count Ganga? Of course not. Chandigarh is a big city of India. Okay, here the word Chandigarh and India, they both are proper noun. Ganga is proper noun. Rubina is proper noun. But the word girl, that is common noun. River is common noun. And the term city is what? It's again common noun. Common nouns are what? They are names of persons, animal, place and thing. Most common nouns have a singular as well as plural form. ज़्यादातर common nouns के क्या होते हैं? जब हम कह रहे हैं कि singular noun और plural form दोनों होती हैं common nouns की, तो चलिए हम फटाफट अब उनको read कर लेते हैं. They have given the example of a lion. Lion का singular form और ये होता है plural form, that is lions. Flower gets converted in a plural form called flowers. Boy gets converted into boys. So they cannot or they can be rather counted as 2 lions, 10 flowers, 5 girls and 100 ants. But there are some common nouns that cannot be counted. कुछ common nouns ऐसे होते हैं जिनको हम count नहीं कर सकते हैं. Forever, milk, water, rice, weather, sunlight, love, luck and anger. Now milk is something which can be weighed rather than it cannot be counted. You can do the measurement of the milk, same with the water, similar with the rice. Weather you can just feel, okay? You cannot measure. Sunlight, love is a feeling again, it cannot be counted. Luck, anger, they all are again the emotions or you can call it as feelings, they are uncountable. We cannot count them as 5 milk, 5 luck, 5 sunlight and 6 anger. No, we cannot count them. The nouns that can be counted are called as countable nouns and the nouns that cannot be counted are called as uncountable nouns. जिनको हम गिन सकते हैं हम उन्हें कहते हैं countable nouns और जिन्हें नहीं गिन सकते हम उन्हें कहते हैं uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns can give the idea of quantity or quality but not the number. तो अनकाउंटेबल जो नाउन्स होते हैं वो क्या करते हैं, वो हमें आइडिया दे सकते हैं, किसी चीज़ की क्वांटिटी तो बता सकते हैं, लेकिन क्वालिटी भी बता सकते हैं, मगर उनका नंबर नहीं बता सकते, एग्जैक्ट नंबर। जैसे कि क्लीन वाटर, 1 bucket of water, dirty water, some water, no water. Now here the words clean, 1, dirty, some, or no water, they are telling you the quantity, but they are giving you also the quality. Clean is giving you the quality, but they are not giving you the exact number. Let's now move further. The practice questions given over here, the first C question states that write C for the nouns that can be counted and U for those which cannot be counted. So the first one is fear. Can you count fear? Of course not. We will write here U. Hatred, again it is uncountable. Smell, it is uncountable. Sound, uncountable. Sand, uncountable. Grain comes in countable and uncountable both, but since you are small, I can tell you that you will just write it again in uncountable. Grains cannot be counted. Butter, of course, it is uncountable. Dust, uncountable. Air, uncountable. Weather is uncountable. Land, uncountable. Puppy, of course, you can count them. Snow is uncountable. Tea, we are talking about tea. Chai is uncountable. अगर यहाँ पे tea leaves होता, of course they can be countable. Candle is countable. Ice is again uncountable. So in this question, most of them were, rather almost everyone was what? Uncountable noun. Now let's now move to the D question. The D question is, state whether the colored nouns are countable or uncountable. You have to check the nouns which they have given you in the colored form, are they countable or uncountable? So they have mentioned, pass me a jar of sugar. Now what is sugar? Is it countable or uncountable? It's uncountable. You will write over here, uncountable. Then the next one, he has enough money. Of course you can count money, so you will write it countable. Then the next one, today the weather is pleasant. So weather, is it countable or uncountable? Again it's a uncountable. Now let's move to the next page. The fourth one is, the jug is full of milk. So whether milk is countable or uncountable. What is milk? Is it countable? No, we can know the quality, but quantity, but it's not the exact number. It is uncountable. Then we are fond of music. Then music is what? Again it's uncountable. I bought a bag of fries. Again it's uncountable. Seventh, he entered into his lawn. Is the lawn countable? The number of lawns can be counted, so you can write over here is countable. She wrote a letter to her son. Of course, the people can be counted, so we will again write here countable. The food we eat gives us energy. Now this they have not mentioned what kind of food, it can be in amount. They have not given you, suppose 5 fruits they have mentioned. अगर कोई नंबर बताया होता तो इसको हम countable कह सकते थे, but the word food is uncountable. Then the last one, I want some butter. Again the word butter is uncountable. It can be measured, quantity can be told, but it is not countable. It's uncountable. And so with this we have completed the exercises of this chapter. I hope you have now understood what are nouns, what kind of nouns are there. There are 3 kinds of nouns which you have studied in this chapter: proper noun, common noun and collective noun. Then later we studied countable nouns and uncountable nouns. I hope everything is clear to you. Till then, now you should practice the other questions, read the chapter carefully. Take care and goodbye. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you for watching the video. Till then, take care and goodbye.